Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. How are you doing today? I'm your boy Christian Israel, and yes, do not adjust your time frames or your eyes. There is no camera in the top of this screen. I am here with you all day, every day, Monday through Friday, but this morning in the process of moving all the equipment, and we do not have a camera live. And that's okay. I'm here with you anyway. I am here with you anyway. We're going to dive into some of the charts today. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, because this might be the last show of the week. I have to reconnect with you next week. If I get another one from you, it'll probably be from the beach or while we're moving. But we don't leave till Thursday. So we'll see how that goes, my friends. How you doing? You see this chart? Some shenanigans this morning. The shenanigans this morning on our charts is, why are we still here? Are we pumping or are we dumping? And this is where we have to come and look. So how about we back this all the way up? Let's back this all the way up to see. Are we back? Okay, wonderful. So this is, guys, what we're looking at so far. Now, let me tell you this. You see, that's a nice little line here, and we broke up and above, and it seems like we kind of range around that line. So not sure yet. What I am going to wait for right here and right now, which I've pretty much caught a lot of these trades to the money, is to see if this, not highlighting anything, that was fun. See if this goes here, rolls up, gives me a top here or here. If we get a top here or here, I will short this. I am not in the camp for long right now. I am not in the camp for longs right now when it comes to this. I'm not. And I think that's why I'm butthurt this morning about Cardano firing up like that. One thing I hate doing is I hate having to get out of a trade when I know the direction. So the issue is here, you see on Cardano, guys, you see this 1, 2, 3, right? That ABC action we have going on here. The question now, if this is 1, 2, 3, where does 3 stop? It's 339.7, right? Which would make sense, which would back test this 0.5 right here. And now that this did not break down, here, right, which I was kind of expecting, we have to at least hit the 2.702. My weird rule. Okay. Now, you can see here, as I just drew in this one, is that we are starting to do exactly what I said. Right? Roll up, come back, create that higher high, maybe come to this area. We're not there yet, but we definitely just hit that higher high there. And Cardano, we're going to come here. Here you go. Did a little back test here. Still waiting. Not quite stomped out of the algo here, but see this little move here? This move here got me this morning. Whoop, straight up there. See that? Penny and a half move. But now we've come down. It looks like it's ready to take another step up. So if I'm going to use what I know, we're going to check out this and see that we've rejected here, which is that line. We've rejected here. We've come down to 2.414, right? And it fell off, but we have not come back. I mean, if we're going to, right? Come back and test that. I mean, this could count here. That could be it, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure the way this is pumping. And normally it likes to kind of walk itself down. on the pump aspect of it. But if we can be done right now, which I won't be mad at it, we're going to do some TA right now on the 15-minute time frame. This is kind of how we want to do that instead. Some support there on that bounce. Here, with the higher high, came all the way back down, which is actually extremely bullish. And so now the fact that we're up here, we're trying to step stool. So as long as it doesn't break back below 38, I mean, that's bullish all day. Even though I have us coming to 37.9 and finishing this move out, I think we have a lot of pump feeling because of the excitement around this crypto bill and all these things. I am just not sold. And that might have cost me a little bit on a trade this morning. But sometimes that happens. And I cut it. I cut trades when I cut trades to say, you know what? If this is going to keep going up from here, then I need to get out of it now. And that's where it goes. So, what are we looking at overall here? Now, this is just the XRP, and we're coming up to try to see, like I said, 39.4. We have double topped here at 4236. Right on the line, so I would not be surprised. Now, it's rare, guys, that we have been doing full extensions recently. We have not been doing full extensions to the upside at all. So the fact that we're doing full extensions and not being rejected at things like the 702 could be changing over the direction that we are going. Good morning, Mr. Patel. Good to see you, brother. Much love. God bless. So, this is the concept. Now, to let you know, we are also right above the 1702. And you can see that there, right? So this is just a smaller time frame. And that 1702 is to come back down to this direction. You see 1.4, 1702, right? Got two downward movements here. From this wave and from this wave. So we rejected at the 702 here, coming down. We have rejected at the 1-to-1, right? Coming down on the larger scale. And now here, okay, I think we can see that. Yep. Now here, that 1.414, we've actually bounced off of. So normally when we reject, we normally really see a 1.702 bounce and rejection. And we haven't seen that yet. Which is why I'm being cautious. And yes, that's a penny and a half. But I'm pretty sure if we can catch this right, we can take this from here down to here and make profit and get back what I lost this morning. And then some. Still up overall from last night's trade and this morning's trade. Net positive. Let me put that net positive. Just like it's like a free throw, man. I think if I played professional basketball and I missed a free throw, I think it would upset me so much that I would pull myself out of the game. Like free throw, layups. Like these are things as a professional you should not miss. And I consider myself a professional. And you can't win them all, right? No one shoots 100%. Steph Curry actually missed 3 or 4 free throws the other day. So we're watching this play out. Let's see here. Making sure yeah, we're right. Top to bottom. Slowly working its way out. And what's crazy is that this is also the stop or the stop loss if you were taking the short down. There he goes. See? Something very sketchy about the movement overall today. See that? Now it's done the full extension. 88. Fired up towards the pivot. Like I said, once you're over this area, 1702, I know, let's see what the hour looks like because that's really what you want to see. And look, right on the money. Over the 1702, fired up, see, because this is kind of our stop, fired up. And now we're going to head back towards this area. That's kind of what we're watching for right now. You guys get to see live TA as I call out the direction that it goes, and it continues to go. And you can see, again, why it frustrates me. This could be enough. We'll see again. 2.702 really is the goal if my TA is 100% accurate. Now watch. So when I do this, I'm going to change and I'm going to go full extension here on the template. Make sure there's not a trend line. Boom. All right. So I killed all those other lines and went straight to this full extension, which really needs to be 702. And there it is. So the question now is, as I continue to do this, I'm going to check a whole bunch of other things real quick. Welcome to me trading live right now. Trying to get good idea of where we're going. As you can see here, up, down, tag, and bounce to 1-to-1. Not quite over yet. 1702 or 2702 is what we were looking at. As Cardano contends to run, as Algo has some firepower, AVAX has some firepower in it. Here you go. Bitcoin's got some firepower in it. It's bounced a good 600 points this morning. Look at that. Boom. All this hype and all this pump this morning. Are we done? Boom. There's that call. As I told you, look at that. 4.702 on the money just now. You're able to see that. Here's up and goes. Where are we going? This is why I cut the short. Exactly why I cut the short this morning. Because you don't want to let your ego get involved in trading. And what I mean by that is, if you scream it's going to short, well, you can't force it to do anything. Point taken right here. Finishing the moves. Now, let's see here. See S&P. Turned over a little bit. But in reality, look at this. Am I losing? There we go. Make sure you guys got some. Okay. I had to double check there. So this might be done now that I am here. This might be done. It's 1702 full out. Now I want to go ahead and go on here and go bull run. Now I can go 4702 over here. Well, it said, no, we're not done yet, sir. We are not done yet. But now that that's done a full extension, I can bring this over here. So much that I can actually get rid of values, the prices, and the trend line. That's done. All right. The question is, when can I get into a long? And that is literally what I'm looking for right now. Isn't that weird how that 702 was almost at that 702? You see how it's lining up? And that lines up with the 1.414. So we kind of at this moment just have to see how this lines up. I say it's a full extension done on that smaller time frame, which you can see right here. Cardano firing up. Wrong direction, bro. 2 cents in the wrong direction from the moment I got in. Look at that. Be trying to kill you with those 2 to 3% pops. And what's crazy is, look, that just went to 0. That's now just even on the 24 hours. So we got some ramp up. Now here's let me tell you about wave structure. This is me just watching the charts. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C. Question is, guys, is that more downside because of that? See that? That's what we're looking at right now. And still going. Shuhei Kanashi. Get a better idea of that. I think you're about done. We'll see what happens at 10 o'clock. I think you're done. You're up here. You're back testing this level right here. 1.414. Volume is not massively coming in. Look at this volume. I don't have a lot of volume here. More of some target base hits. But I got to be careful. Got to be careful, and you can't short against the trend. Or long against the trend. Even when I come up here to test the whole measurement, best idea that you can come up with right there. I thought we were going to continue to break down. We touched, break down, and then come back down. That is not the plan. Let's draw this all the way here. It's back tested the breakdown of the parabola. See the parabola? Now we've got a rejection point right there. Multiple rejection points. Parabola and the 0.5. So when I look at that and then we go look at XRP, you see the XRP has not hit the moving average here. We did our top of the 1.414, but the 21-day moving average we have not broken. Bitcoin, now that I've given you all the bullish scenarios, Bitcoin is sitting right now at resistance on the 4-hour. Like right now, you can see it clear as day. Cardano at resistance, XRP now at resistance. So we'll see what happens here. I know I kind of went on a little thing. I just want you to see this right now. Nothing too crazy. Waiting for this to play out. Targets hit last night. Tried to continue the short. I got greedy. Should have cut the short, went to sleep. I got greedy. And it cost me. What was my, what I'll tell you what I lost this morning. 3.42% of my trading. That was the loss. Under 3.4% loss this morning. Not happy about that. So we'll try to gain that back And it's because the trades are getting a little heavier right now. It's about 35,000 Cardano. So now that it's 9:45, we pumped up, and we'll see how this goes at the end of this show. Red. Oh, there it is. It did just hit that. I didn't know. I did not see that it just ran up there like that. Did it really? Definitely just ran up there like that. Let's see if I can. But then when I look at another chart, it looks like it's still not. Looks still a little scary on another chart. You know what? I'll get my feet wet here while I'm waiting. Gotta get my feet wet while I'm waiting. And just set that trade. Just to have it set and waiting. Because again, 39.72 is what we're looking at. Ooh, above resistance. Heading towards. So there's a good open look at live trading and trying to figure it out on the fly. That's kind of where my focus is on this morning. So I appreciate you guys so much. Just doing a little live trading this morning. All over the place. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. This is your boy Christian Israel. You are tuned into Christ in Crypto. This is Long Sum Short Sum. You know what it is. Do that social media thing, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow. Let's cut it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and do the thing that people do on social media. At Twitter, at TikTok, New Creation Capital. Let us know, guys. Thanks so much. I hope you guys have a great day. Later, guys.